Understanding student preferences for in-class videos, key insights for educators. This is an explainer video for one of my paper titled A Deeper Understanding of Student Preferences for In-Class Video Use, a Segmentation Analysis of Needs, Group Differences, and Preference Cluster, published in Education and Training. How do students really feel about using videos in their lectures? One 2022 study dives into these preferences to uncover what works best. My paper, co-authored with my supervisor, Professor Frank Alpert, explores how U.S. student preferences for video use differs in university classes. Using a multivariate analysis of variance, or MANOVA, we identified significant factors that explain the differences in video preferences among student segments. Our findings reveal a bimodal distribution. 44.5% of students experience a deficit, meaning they prefer more videos than they currently get, while 47% feels that there's a surplus, preferring fewer videos in the classroom. This gap analysis shows that a one-size-fits-all approach to use videos in lectures doesn't work. Some students benefit from more videos, while others find them excessive. These insights are valuable for educational managers and also lecturers, helping them tailor video use to better meet the needs of different student segments, ensuring more effective and engaging learning experience. To explore more on these findings in greater detail, check out the full paper at the link below. Enhance your teaching strategies with this key insight. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insight into educational research and student segment.